Hi everyone, this is Sharan here. Welcome back to my channel. Uh, Today's date is 18th of March 2021, Thursday, most expiry day for the contracts. I usually don't trade on Thursdays because of the kind of volatility it has and a lot of mix and match kind of events that usually take place. So I avoid doing it. But anyways, today I took a small trade, which I am, which is basically on a trial thing of a thing that I'm studying right now. Yesterday it didn't work, today it worked, so I won't talk about it right now. Probably in a few days when I test it properly, we can talk about it. Let's get our focus back to the game, the charts of Bank Nifty. We'll try and figure out what happened, what went wrong today, where do we see the markets heading to. Will there be a kind of retracement or kind of a pullback from here? Let's have a look at it and then figure out. So basic things first and foremost. Uh, the higher tops have been being formed. Sorry, the lower tops have been formed in a couple of days now, and that is this particular green line which you can see here is indicating the seller pressure, right? We had a good support on this level, that is 34,635 के आसपास का level जो था काफी strong था, because we were able to see that the buyers were getting in from this level very fast. 1 2 3 and 4. So probably yesterday when this particular thing broke down, we had an issue. Today the markets opened a little higher, but eventually going down. Now where do we see this going, markets falling? Probably my take is this particular thing, which is a gap that is being formed here, the head of this particular candle of 1st February, which might act as a support level for us. Now, if you see, a lot of times this particular in the month of Jan, it came towards this particular head and then gave a retracement, right? So this might act as a support level for the coming days. Now if this day is being taken out by the market, then we have a problem. We'll have to sit and see what happens. There's one more interesting thing that I can also see here is the 50-day moving averages. Whenever the 50-day moving averages has been crossed by the price, the stocks have gone up. Now even if you last time, if you saw in the month of Jan, when the prices came below the 50-day moving average, this was kind of a morning star, you could say, or probably kind of a morning star, you could say. And then the prices just moved up away from there, right? So we right now have just crossed the 50-day moving average down, and with the kind of closing today we had, लग रहा है कि हो सकता है, I mean, हो सकता है कि ये particular gap can be filled. Okay. Now we also need to think, look at the last 1 week candles, 1 2 3 4 5 days, immense kind of a uh, selling has been happened. Okay. So हो सकता है कि यहाँ पे कल market थोड़ा नीचे open हो जाए. I'll just go into 1 hour chart so that it becomes easy for us. Hopefully the markets will open a little lower, come to this level of 33,000, 3,100, or वहाँ से take a U-turn and go back. I don't know, I'm just assuming it can happen, because this is a kind of a resistance converting into support region. Okay. There is a very interesting concept in the market always, that supports become resistance and resistance become your support. So this, which was a resistance at one point of time, can become a support level for the coming days. The only thing we have to be careful is that this particular region should not be broken with a good volume. Then it's a little problem that we'll have to take care. Okay. Yeah, I think that is more or less the kind of analysis. What do we do? I've already told. We will wait and see if there is kind of any action happening around this level, 33,000 levels, and then we will take a decision what to do. If the markets open, say, let's assume if the markets open a little higher, or probably open and then close above 34,250 levels, that means we are looking at something like a piercing candle, bullish piercing candle, which means that the markets might reverse from here, or even if there is a kind of a spinning top or something which where there is confusion, then we will wait and watch. which side the market direction is. So having said that, this is a small kind of an explanation. We'll also see one more interesting thing that I can see right now. Okay, this is the kind of a channel pattern that is being formed. Okay, usually channel pattern होने के बाद it gives you a kind of a movement and then probably goes up. Now we will see if this is broken resist यहाँ पे ब्रोक होके ऊपर pull back होगा. Next time when it breaks here ना, then we will confirm that the markets are going to be seeing a kind of a new lows of in the last couple of months, or else we can just assume that the price will again come back and touch this particular levels of 35,000 odd levels to check whether there is more selling pressure on the top side. Yeah, that's it from myself. Today I am not going to explain the trades that I have taken. Probably will not do it for a couple of days more. The idea is that as many you can share this to as many people as you can. Once then I can be able to explain you from the basics of it. Right? Yeah, that's it from my side. Have a nice Friday tomorrow. Hopefully the markets are favoring in our side. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care and all the best.